Hello everyone! Hi Paula! Hi Chai Tan! Hello, hello, hello! Magandang gabi po. Malakas bang ulan? There in Dumaguete, Paula, is it raining? How's the weather there? As always, maski po medyo mainit ang panahon, meron ba kayo naririnig na parang hangin? I hope not. You know, this is actually where I do the rituals, I do the live, po. Pero lately, you can see na iba yung background ko kasi doon ako sa North Room, kung saan yung room ng aking lalaking anak. So, since wala siya, so I'm using that. Kasi dito medyo bumigay biglang aircon. It's raining po. Okay, ingat. Mayan, hello! Judy Len, Tina Mandin, magandang gabi po. Oops. Where is that applause? Rhea, hello? Yes, Agnes, Robbie, Borromeo. Teen Mandin, it's raining, so ingat po kayo, ha? Take care. Mara Tolentino. Okay, this is good. Arlene Desta, Ronaline Bughao, Lisa Santos, magandang gabi, love and abundance. Giselle, hello. Sheena, yan. Thea Carino, magandang gabi from Baguio City. Makasarap dyan, malamig. Vix Angeles, yes. Arlene Desta, magandang gabi. Good evening, madami. Very nice your background. This is my altar. Yeah. Hi, hello, magandang gabi. Hi, Leia. Parlin Je. Yes. Lady Lovelyn, magandang gabi. Mayet Ariola. DP Cindy. Aranes. Merge Abayata from Davao City. Cathy, magandang gabi. Kylie Noreen Alarcon, Lydia Anjean. Hello, good evening po, Leia, sis. Hello, sis. Sase, magandang gabi from Dubai, from UAE. Josephine Corpus Maniego, Tessa Nardo, magandang gabi. Janice. Sharon Moreno, hello. Yes. Nalikubo ko medyo mainit siya ngayon. Okay. Good evening from Morong Rizal. Last time na late ako. It's okay. Yeah, good evening. How's the weather there, Rhea, in Dubai? Kylie Noreen, mag-read po. Hindi po ako magre-read ngayon. This is a flying star. Good evening. I will teach you kung saan po ang mga lucky direction and not so lucky direction for everyone. Okay? Rhea Salazar, sana po napanood nyo yung maikli kong video. This is in regards with the flying star. Bakit kailangan po natin yon? So I am inviting everyone, as in everyone to join. Kay Vivian Maracubo, at mapapansin nyo kasi I usually ask them 6 na maliliit na papel na isulat doon yung mga gusto nyo. Tumigil naman ang paninagiri yung ating asawa. You know, baka sakal mag-focus ako. Gusto ko mapag-aralan. Wala focus ko. Hindi ko makaka-focus. Thanks sa mga tips nyo. Mara Tolentino, you are most welcome. Watching from Obra, Spain. Hello. Vivian McAllister. Buenas noches. Yes. Helene Nicodemus, magandang gabi. Did you receive now the new, nako, you know what happened sa JNT, so ni-replace ko, and I hope you enjoy your set 3 right now. So, Flying Star, pa-shoutout po, Alet from Toledo, Cebu, mag-ingat po ha, huwag ka nang lalabas, huwag na po kayong matigas ang ulo. Xiao Yi, magandang gabi. Sino po nandito? We are going to start, siguro we'll do it on a 2-part series. For the first part now is for the lucky direction and what are the cures and what to do, what not to do. Okay, then tomorrow we will be touching the monthly flying star for each animal sign. Rhea, it's okay, you're not late. Ano ko pa lang. Okay, so we'll talk about first watching from Seattle. Hello, Erika, keep safe. Lizelle Kimbaga, okay naman po. Kailan po ba full moon? That's July 5. Kahit malayo akong Pinas, Mara Tolentino, yes. So right now we still have the Mercury retrograde. So nag-start siya ng June 18 until July 12. Masaya na masyado mainit. Kumukulo yata. Yeah, I need this. This is tea. Okay. So it is, since we are on a retrograde until July 12, it's not a great time to initiate anything. Ano po yung initiate anything? New projects, new jobs, new relationship. Ayan, yung mga bago. Pagpapaliban ng kontrata and everything. So, it's okay to redo, repaint, rebond, redecorate. Lahat po ng ibig sabihin parang binabago nyo, then it's okay. So, it's a great time to, reassess and anything. Okay? Reconciliation, yeah? Okay po yan. So, Isles Jam, magandang gabi. Cathy Riel Corvero Medrano, keep safe, marami pong salamat. Sino po dito ang mga baguhan? Go like and share. Pa-shoutout, Gemma Richmond, magandang gabi. Yeah. So I'd like you to like and share. We will be touching the lucky I'm sorry, Mikey Tan, Gemini, we're not talking about astrological sign here. Appliances, dami nasisira. Totoo. So, it's about Alex. Si Hipol, uy, magandang gabi. Janet Torres, good evening. So, we're talking about the flying star that will be happening by July 12 to August 6. So, ano po mga energy na dala nito? Sa each animal sign, that will be for tomorrow, but this tonight, we'll be touching on the lucky direction. At not so lucky. Ano po dapat gawin? Ano po ang dapat ayusin? Or ano dapat pong iwasan? Okay? So, 121, magandang gabi. So, did you know that itong Karen Chris Villagracia from Isabela, ingat po, Gemma Richmond, stay safe. Yes. Alam nyo ba, itong taon na to, yeah, ang daming, even the eclipse, solar, lunar, palagi pong meron, because the earth is moving together with lahat po ng astrological, lahat po ng planets talagang nag-iikot sila. Okay? We have a busy time eclipse on July 5, June 5, that is a lunar. June 21, that is a solar. So coming soon, July 5, again, it's the lunar. So tomorrow, it's a lunar eclipse plus the full moon. But the lunar po kasi usually marks an ending. So lunar, it's an ending. It's an ending of your miseries. Ending of ending po ng lahat ng ating mga, so you can just, pasalamat, tapos ng lahat. The solar eclipse po, again, marks the beginning. And often feels more optimistic, more lighter. Yan po. So, check on your favorite about the eclipse guidance. If you want, you can Google. Okay? So, we go on the flying star for the month. Okay? So, ano po yung mga direction na kailangan nyo? Cancer, Year of the Fire Dragon. Sagittarius, tomorrow po yan. Good evening from Rodriguez Rizal. Rositer Sumagay, magandang gabi. Have some tea. Hi, Teen. How's your baby? Yan, George Castro. Love and abundance. Hello. Hi, Cici. Yeah. That is all, my best friend from the US of A. Hi, good evening po. Miss M, question. Okay, na-question ka na agad. Nag-raise hands ka ba? Plan to go to beach bukas. Beach tomorrow. Huwag ka lang magpagabi. Okay? Just, enjoy the, okay, you need to be grounded. So, walk barefooted sa sand. It's okay for you. Good evening po from Cotabato. Magandang gabi, Jennifer Mobo. Okay, so we go on with ano po gusto nyo? Yung good direction or not so good direction? Alin po doon ang unahin ko? As well as some of your tips, kahit lapa kung nabibiling mga feng shui items, effective sila lahat. Dito sa Korea, marami pong salamat, Mara Tolentino. If you want, you can have a feng shui assessment po sa akin. That's better para alam mo po what is your best month, kailan ka pwedeng mag-open ng business, you know. Pwede po when kayo mag-healing water. I don't know, is my admin here? Kung wala po, let's see tomorrow. Annalisa, kay Kat Pedutem, Thea Carino. Okay, our healing water po noon kasi is a live ko, then you know everybody can can do it. Kaya lang po meron po akong maraming, alam nyo naman, because siguro dahil naghahanap sila ng pagkakakitaan at dahil nasa bahay lang sila, what they not so good po muna para after that good. Okay, exact. Stephanie Malcolm, good idea. That's so good muna. Yeah, that's good. Okay. So, ang ano ko lang kasi, may nagsabi, baka po, you know, ilagay siya sa bote, then, yung ritual, and then ibenta. Okay? And, binibigay ko po ito ng libre, and water is life and water is free. So, mag-isip na lang po tayo ng ibang pagkakakitaan. Wag na lang po ngayon. Okay? No, the full moon is about sa Pilipinas. Kasi, you know, meron po sa ibang bansa na full moon will be on Sunday, or Monday, ganun po. Okay? So, you can check on the Google. Kasi as far as I know, it's July 5 po ang ating sa Pilipinas. Yes. Ang iba po, madam, pag nag-peering po, yes. Precious, hello, Precious, is Mommy Mercy's there. And JC, hello. Magandang gabi po. Let's go on with the not so good, or let's say it's a difficult luck this month. Check on your compass direction. Dapat po alam nyo na ngayon kung ito po ba'y nakaharap ang inyong main door, opisina, kwarto. Check on this one. Okay. The west number po, the number 9, the happiness star is located, the yearly flying star is in the west. Pero ngayon po, pinasukan siya ng number 5. Okay? So, you need to be careful with accident, major illnesses, financial worries. So, kung meron po kayong mga kasama sa bahay, kapamilya, o katapos na, okay, kapamilya na may sakit, medyo alisin po muna natin siya sa west, ilipat po natin siya. Let's see kung saan po ang lucky direction for this one. So, for example naman po na hindi nyo siya malilipat, wala po kayo ibang lugar, yung ulo na lang po. Just make sure na hindi po naka-point sa west. Okay? Bakit wala tayong tugtog ngayong gabi? Nora, Canada, magandang gabi po. You know why? Last night, diba, I have this Frank Sinatra song. I received a message from FB. Yeah, medyo i-mute nila ng konti because of the music. So, nilagyan ko na, you know, this music, it doesn't belong to me. I don't know, I don't carry the rights of that song. No infringement intention. So, yun po. Kaya ko medyo, now, next time, anuhin ko muna. So, we go on now, some meditation music. Okay, now. So, the West, ano po ang dapat gawin sa West? Absolutely. Absolutely. No red colors in the west section or sector of your place. Joe Lumingas, magandang gabi. Vanji Villanueva. Sino ito nag-hi? Madeline Sactan. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. We are now starting off with the difficult location for this month, July 7 to August 6. So, handa nyo po ang compass direction, pero by this time, dapat alam nyo na kung saan po, by heart, even nakapikit kayo, alam nyo na north, south, east, west, ng inyong kabahayan o ang inyong space, condominium, or inyong opisina. Okay, so the west po is the one of the difficult luck this month. So, you need to, it's a illness star is there, financial worries. So, careful po sa mga aksidente. So, absolutely no red colors and no candles. No red colors and no red candles in the west ng inyong bahay. ¿Entiendes? Okay, the second. Yan, nakahabol. Nag-umpisa pa lang ako, Wilma De La Rosa. Elena Composano. Yes. Aryan, magandang gabi. So, the second difficult luck location for this month. Okay, La Pearl, if you happen to have another door, then use it. Okay? Then use it. Thank you. This is a, you know, ginasuot ito ng ano, diba? Pagka naka-Pilipiniana. Yeah, Pilipiniana. Okay, the South. Okay, the South as the number 2 is still the illness star for the entire year. So, it has the argument, problem po sa ipin, sa breathing, potential accident and theft. Maglagay po dito ng blue colors, ng elephant and rhino in the south. Add water elements, evil eye, and for protection. Okay? Good evening po, Madam Ems. Mamaya po, kung sasabihin ko lahat ng direction kung saan po maganda at hindi maganda. Vilma De La Rosa, Iris Joy, Abraham, magandang gabi. Bawal magwalis sa gabi? Paano kayo nagwawalis? Tanong ko lang. Okay. Sagot. Paano po kayo nagwawalis ng iyong bahay? Thank you, thank you. Meron pa ako sa loob niya, no? You see, this is Pandora. Can you see? And a rice pearl. Yeah, nasa loob siya. Ma'am, Ems, the South, okay lang po ba horseshoe? Wala pong problema. Gusto ko magka-baby how po. Naku, wala naman sa topic natin. Sa susunod na lang. Okay? May asawa ka ba? Joke! Okay, joke! Okay, papasok ng bahay. Christine Rina, very good. Wag na wag po kayo nagwawalis palabas. Lagi po paloob. Okay? So, sa gabi, wag na lang. You know, yung mga mga sinauna natin na matatanda natin pamahiin, right? Hindi naman po lahat, pero you know, just you need to keep it also. Okay? Now the South, again, wag pong lalagyan, no red also there, okay? So you need blues. And you need also add water elements if you can put some a small aquarium or you know, the most effective po the rhino elephant for the theft and robbery. And you need to be, you know, ahead of your competitor. You know, you need the blue and rhino. Thank you. Thank you sa husband. Alam nyo, for fertility issues, meron po tayong health ritual. So, of course, you need to check on your doctor first, na po. And then you can, yeah, lapis lazuli, yeah, anything blue. Blue apatite is good. Sasaylay. Okay, the next difficult location, saan po ito? Gemma, please check kung ano po ang iyong location, papasok ng bahay. Baka naman po yan south, pinapatay po niyo yung isda, niluluto niyo. Because south is fire. The reason why I am telling you now to add blue colors in the south, because there is an argument star. So we need to subdue that. So, in order to subdue the very strong fire element is the water. Medyo patay-patay natin ng konti. Okay? Again, medyo pa rin po nangangati akilalamunan, lalo na po pag naiinitan ako. So, bear with me. Sorry, bear with me. Okay. The next not so good or difficult luck this month is the center. Okay? There are the anger, init ng ulo, legal problems, argument, legal matters, breathing problem. Okay? So, paano nyo po ito maproprotektahan? Keep this sector quiet as possible, but keep the light bright. Okay, so kung meron po kayong lampshade sa gitna, keep it bright, you know, to subdue po the strong negative energies ng center ng house natin. Okay, the next difficult location is the southeast. The southeast had an illness star there, accident and financial difficulties. So it happens to be, my main door is in the southeast. So I'll be using my north and also yung back door ko. Yan. Ganun po. If kung meron kayo, then keep it close, keep it quiet, you know. The more you use that sector, again, the more you are activating the negative energies. Okay. So the southeast po. So again, you get to keep it light, keep it quiet. Kung meron po kayong radio, television, so wag na muna po doon. Kung yun naman po ay hapagkainan ninyo or dining, then of course, you don't naman spend your time more than 2 hours doon sa area na yon, di ba? So, okay naman po. Just don't use it more than 4 hours. Yan. The more ingay kasi, the more you're activating it. Okay. Now, let's go on with the best luck this month. Yan. Kaya na ako nagma-microphone para hindi na ako sumigaw. So, ilalapit ko na lang yung mic ko, ha? Arwana Gold figurine from, yes, depende po, Coach Mabel Lucas. Again, you need to know your compass direction and the flying star. Okay? Stephanie Notcom, yes, we love that. The best direction. Again, binigyan ko po kayo ng tip, Femantisa, kung ito po ay inyong main door. So, yung southward, it has the argument star, you know, potential theft. Sinabi ko na kung ano po ang cure. Pag sinasabi ko po sa inyo yung problem na the sector, then I'm also telling you the cure na para doon. Then listen, okay? Now you go on with the best luck this month. The North. The North has the promotion, the income advancement. Yan. So, kung kayo po ay, it happened to be, ang likod ko po ay North. Yeah. So, yung North, for the promotion, for the income advancement. So, try to meditate, do your thing in the North. Lahat po itong sasabihin kong direction. You can spend a lot of time there. Iwasan nyo lang po yung not so. Maayong gabi, Nan Concepcion. Okay. So the North, yung ano po, paano nyo pa po ito mapapalakas aside from being there? So bright light, colors, and candles. Ayan. So, doon na tayo mag-meditate. Doon na tayo mag-Facebook. Doon na tayo mag-online selling, you know, do your thing in the North, okay? Because the promotion and income advancement is there. Yeah. Now, the Northwest is the other best luck location. So, love and romance, education, sales luck. So, kung meron po kayong inaabangang project at meron kayong gustong ibenta, you know, put your folders, put yung mga flyers ninyo, or again, aside from the Northwest, mag live selling kayo doon, because the Northwest, and also yung pong mga bata, kung kailangan mag-review, kung kailangan mag-laptop na, kung kailangan mag-tablet sa kanilang school, and also yung mga yung mga nag-aaral ulit, nagre-review. Locate yourself in the Northwest, okay? Paano nyo pa po, and also sa mga mag-asawa, para mag-loving kayo, mas loving. Ma'am, pangit po bang bahay namin sa South? No! Who said so? Again, makinig, okay? Don't fret and don't lose hope. Kasi ang bahay niya, hindi lang naman po sa South. Meron kayong North, meron kayong East, meron kayong West. You have the Southeast, the Northeast, the Southwest, the Northeast. Okay? Now, for the Northwest, you need to add shell, water and love symbols, and flowers. Wow! So, and also water to enhance education, sales and marketing, and romance. So, live selling na kayo sa Northwest. Doon po, ilocate nyo. Okay? Using your cell phone. Tignan nyo yung compass. Nandun yung Northwest. Ito Northwest. Dito ako. Ganun lang po kasimple yun. Okay. The Northeast. Yan. Ito naman po isa din sa lucky direction for this month. is the Northeast. It brings good news, networking help, assistance, and windfall. Wow. Okay. Isa-isahin natin. Good news. Ito po yung biglang hindi nyo alam, kasama na ng windfall, biglang may magbabayad sa inyo ng pagkakautang, o meron pa kayong matatanggap na refund, may matatanggap pala kayong ayuda. Yan, that's a good news, right? And also windfall. Pag windfall, yung bang hindi mo inaasahan, biglang maglalapag na lang sa inyong lap. Yan. And then, networking help. Ito po yung gusto yung humingi ng tulong para to enhance your networking business. Mas marami pa kayong ma-reach out, marami pa kayong maging customer, marami pa kayong maging supplier. Northeast is the best part. So how do you enhance that one? Add crystal balls for smooth relationship. Ang relationship po hindi lang po sapat sa mag-asawa, hindi lang po sa pamilya, sa anak, sa mga in-laws. Good relationship also with your partners in your business, with your customers, with your suppliers. So, kailangan po na maintain nyo ang good relationship sa kanila. Okay? So, you need also crystal vases and your wealth bowl. Yan. So, bukas pa lang po, bago nyo ilagay ang inyong tip lang po, bago nyo ilagay ang inyong mga enhancer, the wealth balls, the crystals, linisin nyo muna pong area. Hindi po basta ilalagay nyo na lang ganon. Linis-linis po and then enhance it and put it. Okay? Tomorrow po morning, gawin nyo na yan. Okay, the next lucky direction. Tell Marie, if your bathroom is in the northeast, all you need to do is keep it closed all the time. Okay? Kasi the bathroom, alam niyo naman ang bathroom, doon natin nilalabas ang ating mga hindi magaganda, dumi. Okay? So, keep it closed. Example, nasa bedroom lang ako from door. Pwede din ba ako mag-compass? Doon na lang ako maglagay ng mga remedies po. Bakit po sa room lang? But why not in the entire house? Okay? Okay. Now, the next lucky direction is the east. Yan. It has the income, the victory, opportunities. Wow, the east. Ito po yung papasok. But the number 5, the misfortune, the 5 misfortune star for the whole year is nasa east. So, hindi po kailangan palagi kayo mag-locate doon. Just do an enhancer. Enhancer po is add metal. So, ano po yung mga metal? Meron po tayong, the wind chime that is moving. Okay? The Chinese coins. Yan. Alam nyo yung nag-move, the pendulum clock. Okay? Located sa east. For the income, victory, and opportunity lock. La Pearl, yes. Evil Eye. Mamesi po the evil eye saan? Sabi ko sa south for this one. K. Bonix. Dio, hello, good evening. Love and abundance. Okay, for the next. Mamaya sasabihin ko sa inyo kung saan po maganda ilagay ang wealth ball. Okay? For the southwest. Wow. It's a social time. Promotion and recognition. Kung gusto nyo ma-recognize ng inyong boss, kung gusto nyo ma-recognize ang inyong hard work, locate in the southwest, add crystals and flowers as you can see. Noong pong nag-live ako, diba, sinabi ko sa inyo, 5 feng shui must have. And you can see, ito sa aking mga recommendation, nandun po madalas. So, hindi po kailangan, ng maraming-marami. Again, if it's your choice, then okay. But if you want the minimalist at hindi magmukhang, Chinese emporium ang inyong bahay, the water elements, ang sabi ko, the crystal ball is must have, the Chinese coin, it doesn't, it will not ruin your entire, the entire, um, inyong, um, kabahayan. Okay? Iris Turingan, love and abundant. Miss ko kayo, mom. Miss you too. So the Southwest, add crystals and flowers. Yung flowers, pwede rin naman pong mga fake flowers, but at least kailangan pong dilinisan nyo. Okay? Now, for the best place for Wealth Ball this month, lahat po ba kayo ay may wealth balls? Tanong ko lang, sampagita, fresh sampagita, Gemma? Meron kayo nakukuha palagi ng sampagita? Gemma Richmond, why ang ano mo is black? Somebody, it's sad. Bakit po black ang inyong profile? Nagtatanong lang. I hope you don't mind, okay? Normally po kasi sa mga members ko na, kasi as you can see, pag ako nag-ano kayo, as much as possible, I answer your PMs. Pag naman please, kailangan mo na ng assessment, okay? Kasi wag niyo po akong tatanungin ng kasi hindi ko na-assess so I cannot tell you. This is a flying star. This is, for in general. But if you want a specific para sa place nyo, then you need a feng shui assessment. Okay, madali ko I'm sorry, condolences, okay? Madali ko sinasabi na make your profile pic, masaya. Okay lang po bang live indoor plants? Yes! I have live indoor plants. Why? Because it's, nagkaroon sila ng oxygen. Wala akong wealth ball. Kung wala kayo, then add other crystals. Okay, Mayan? Okay. Magandang gabi, Rosel. Okay, so, for the best place to put your wealth ball this month is the northeast. Hanapin niyo po, using your compass direction, nasa inyong northeast, doon po kayo maglagay ng wealth ball. Now for water feature like an aquarium, like the mini fountains. Saan daw po ito magandang ilagay this month? Located in the south. Wealth ball. Wealth ball. Wealth ball. That's B-O-W-L. Hindi po bola. Bowl. Good evening, Ressa. How is everyone? Yes, ma'am, I have napupunong wealth ball ko. And I donate. Yes. Okay, good. So, alam niyo po kung saan niyo ilalagay. So, mapupunong wealth ball. Tapusin na natin. If you, I can discuss mga anim na animal sign. Okay? Jet Abirin, siguro, I will be having live again. Gagawa tayo ulit ng wealth ball para malaman ninyo. Can we use an electric water diffuser? Yes, it's a water feature. It's moving water. We need a young water element. When I say young, it's moving. When I say yin, it's permanent. Or hindi siya nag-move. Or water feature. Or water element lang. The shells, like something like that. Sa main door facing out, you can Google po actually how to get your compass direction. Okay, let's go on with the rat. Sino po dito ang year of the rats? Naku, hindi, wait ah. Yeah. So, thank you. Yes. Okay. For the rats, okay. Last month is a little tired. This month opportunity will drop in your front door. It is look carefully, but you're going to be very busy, but you need to be careful, okay, what is offered for you. You have a chance of to advance your profit in real estate or investment. It's good, okay. Watch out also for if you want to apply for a new job, ask for promotion or even a raise. Wow, for the next 30 days. So make the most of what offered for you this month. Rats, make the most out of it. At napakaganda po ng month of July to August 6 para sa mga rats. Yan! So, kasi hindi ko nasasabihin yung mga year, para hindi na mapagod ang boses ko. By this time, you know naman your animal sign. Okay! Marita Lentino, love ko po yan. Tama kasi. Yes, of course! I will never go wrong. Okay, we go on with the year of the ox. Okay, ox po. Sunod-sunod po to, ha? We will tackle rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, and dragon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and snake. 6 po. So, tutuloy na lang natin tomorrow para magkita-kita pa tayo ulit. Okay, now we go on with the ox. Wow. Kung ano po yung nasa rat, ganon din po ang nasa ox. You will provide from shimmering shower opportunities with a beautiful rainbows at the end. Watch out for unexpected sources of opportunities again in your door. Gosh, people coming out of the blues will be coming up. We're going to, help you change, sometimes, yung bang biglang may tutulong sa inyo, biglang na-flat tire kayo, out of nowhere, biglang eto na may darating na agad tulong, just an example. But marami pong tutulong sa inyo for this month. Okay, for single ox, mga single, excellent time also for meeting someone new, and maybe, something interesting, yung medyo kikiligin kayo. Yan, okay? So, captivate others by dressing up and looking your best. Maski po nasa quarantine tayo, put on your lipstick. Maski nakamask kayo, pagtanggal nyo ng mask, hindi naman tayo namumutla. Di ba? At least, ang dami-dami namang lipstick na, na last 12 hours or 24 hours lipstick. Di ba? So, put it on. And wear your favorite colors, wear any colors you like. Okay lang po for the ox because and also for the rats because a good and shiny opportunities is coming your way. Mararamdaman niyo na po unti-unti. Okay, so look good and then help to level up this month. If you are into networking, if you are into blogging or online selling, the more influence and you try to level up. So look at your best and enjoy. Congratulations, Ox. Yes, La Pearl. Looking forward to the best month ever. Okay, now we go on with the tigers. Sino po dito ang mga tiger? Alam mo, sabi ko nga, I'm so excited kasi I love this month. Okay, Annalisa, okay, for the tigers. Alam nyo, July 7 to August 6 is tailor-made for your tigers. you are some of the loveliest type of surprises from money to love. Kasi sa rats, medyo more of money. Sa ox, yes, only for single ox and more about money. But sa tiger, it's a combination of love and money. Ano ka pa? Napakaswerte mo, di ba? Everybody's eyes is on you. Okay? You'll be in demand. Everyone wants to shower you with opportunities and sweet surprises. Payment checks will show up. People will influence you. They will offer you some help. Okay? And assignments and raises for the highest level you will hope for. Look at your best, tigers. Wear lots of elegant jewelries. Doesn't need to be very expensive, kasi ang dami-dami naman po stainless dyan na napakaganda, di ba? Wear it with confidence, okay? And then enjoy this month because this is simply heavenly for the tigers. Congratulations! Okay, for the rabbits. Sino po dito mga rabbit born? Okay, the rabbit born, your name is in everyone's lips. Okay, there's a personal victory such as winning a contest. Ayan, wow! Getting a new job, being picked with a special reward. Nako, baka mamay sa mga raffles. A little beam of light. Yeah, watch out for surprises. There's a lot of surprises coming for rabbits, especially for money or income. Pero meron lang konti kayong issue sa health. Okay, so watch out for your ear, for your bladder, and sinus infection. So, drink a lot of water para po to combat the bladder issue. The ears po, huwag kayong gumagamit ng mga hanggang sa loob ng inyong, the Q-tips, yeah. And the sinuses, ingatan po yung mga, allergy prone, something like that. So, ingat-ingat po for the rabbits. To ward off the illness, improve your financial, wear big metallic jewelries and accessories. Again, for the rabbits, I need you to wear big earrings, necklace. For the man naman, wear a lot of chunky silver. It's okay with you. That is good for your health and for your income. Okay? Yes, Vivian Maracubo, that's so nice. Real gem or real gem, silver, gold will add, extra money luck. But hindi naman kailangan lahat ng diamonds may suot mo na lang, di ba? Kung lalabas ka But why not? Pag ako nasa bahay, I wear them. Why not? Yes, gold. Sabi ko nga, real gold is okay. It adds more money luck. So we go on with the dragons. Wow. Okay. For the dragons, if you are looking for opportunity to move or do something with real estate, so if you are planning to move house, looking for a new house, looking for to buy properties, then a new home or apartment, this July is good for you, dragons. There's something that has to do with property. So you could be the one who sees the gains. Parang also if you are into real estate, if you're a broker, real estate, or what you call this, a property manager or property specialist. For dragons, this is a good month for you. Okay, you may also find a woman in position in authority. It might be your boss. It might be makikilala mo pa lang. It could give you some kind of financial or career-related boost. Yan, nako, parang pwede kayong i-recommenda kayo ng isang, again, a woman with authority, yan, na may makikilala kayo, na bibigyan kayo ng, ng guidance, and bibigyan kayo ng referrals when it comes to, you know, career-related boost sa inyong career. Yan. On health and money front, be sure to wear real gems, okay, and gold or silver jewelry to boost your income luck. Okay? Pero careful lang po kayo, dragon, sa mga spicy food. Okay? Baka po magkaroon kayo ng upset stomach and heartburn. And not too much coffee, please. Okay, that is for the dragons. Last is the snake. Tomorrow po natin susunod ng iba. Again, sa mga baguhan, welcome. You are watching the Flying Star 2020 for the month of July. Now, for the snake, okay, again, also, if you're looking for invest in real estate, okay, July is also, maybe it's your first home purchase, yan, okay. It's a good month for earth-related. So, if you are, again, looking for properties, gusto mong mag-ano ng iyong mga halaman, or, earth energies related, it's also include also such as mining, yan. So, yeah, that is for the snake. And, careful also with the, but you are, ingat lang po, no, for the snake, kasi you might be indulging with, questionable yung mga street foods, wala naman tayong street food, pero yung mga delivery foods, ingatan po, you might upset your stomach, okay? There's an old injury or health issue that might show up again. So, kung inyo pong mga uric acid dati na maintain nyo or na sugar nyo, so, ingat po, baka medyo mag-shoot ulit ang numbers, okay? So, wear white colors, snake, to fit your energy and to protect your health. Wear a lot of whites. Okay, so ilan na po yan for the snake? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So tomorrow we'll be tackling the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the pig. Yan. So, ito po yung inyong mga asawa, boyfriend, mga anak. So, I hope na narinig nyo para ipag-ingatan po sila. But I'm so happy dahil we're looking at the sunlight again under the storm, after the storm, which is the pandemic. Nag-ingat na po tayo ng 3 buwan, 4 na buwan. Tuloy lang po natin. Okay? Para po sa inyo at para din sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Right? Thank you, Maria Elizabeth Zabala Castro. Yes. So, we will be having a negative cleansing ritual. So, let's see, baka bago po mag-ritual or after the ritual, itutuloy ko, but most probably after, because my bookings for the card reading is fully booked. Marami pong salamat, and I am not complaining. I am just, inaano ko ang aking bosses, right? So, kasi so meron akong kinancel kanina because, bosses ko. So, start ako ng Sunday, Monday, Tuesday until Wednesday. Medyo book na po yan. So, let's see na Thursday and Friday. Pero Saturday, meron na rin po. So, for anyone who is interested in intuitive card reading, I am, available by appointment. Yan. So, it's a guidance card, and you will learn, and you will be amazed. Okay, na hindi po tayo magkakilala, pero makikilala ko kayo ng gusto. I'm a spirit-guided intuitive oracle card reader. Spirits po ang nag-guide sa akin para makilala ko at para makita ko kung anong mga nasa cards. Okay. Jetta Birin, just PM our admin. Vilma De La Rosa, marami pong salamat. So, umuulan po. Keep safe everyone. Sa nasa Cebu, ingat po tayo. Nasa Manila, tuloy-tuloy po tayo mag-ingat. So, tomorrow, yung mga nabanggit kong mga animal sign, and sa lahat, linisin na po natin, sabay-sabay tayong maglagay na, hindi po ibig sabihin, July 7 pa lang kayo maglalagay ng mga cures and enhancement. Okay? Again, energy is manifesting unti-unti po, parang hangin yan, na nararamdaman nyo na. So, stay protected, stay happy, okay? Gemma Richmond, Madam, location, I am in BF Resort Village in Las Piñas. Fest Santos, Points, love and abundance po. Marami pong salamat. Keep the love and light. Give a positive, tanggalin na po natin ang ating magiging irritable. Tandaan nyo, pag ganyan kayo, hindi kayo magiging masaya. Promise. The more na nagiging irritable kayo, try to control yourself. Wala pong ibang magkocontrol niyan, kundi ang sarili ninyo. Hindi po ang asawa, hindi mga anak. Kayo po. So having said that, thank you so much. Join us tomorrow for a negative cleansing ritual. Tanggalin na natin ang mga negativity na yan. I assure you, mararamdaman ninyo. Miss Ems, yes. Paula, Vivian, thank you. Monix, tama. Yes, paparead sa palm po sa inyo. Hindi po ako nagpa-palm reading. Yes, hello, Isidra. Kiss, kiss, kiss. Bukas po, ma'am. Yes, kiss a max for me. Again, join me sa negative cleansing ritual. Mawawala po yan. Pati mga taong nagdudulot sa inyo ng sakit. Good night, Precious. Good night, Mercy. Good night, JC. To my team, to my admin, thank you so much. Let's see each other tomorrow. Love and abundance!